What's this? There's lightnings in the air. What's this? I can't believe my eyes. I just need training. Wait, Jack, this isn't fair. What's this? What's this? There's something very wrong. What's this? There's people singing songs. What's this? The streets are lighted and little creatures laughing. Everybody seems so happy. How I possibly got happy? What is this? What's this? There's children throwing snowballs instead of throwing heads. They're busy building toys and absolutely no one's dead. There's frost in every window. I can't believe my eyes. And in my bones I feel the warmth that's coming from inside. Oh look! What's this? They're hanging mistletoe. They kiss. Why that looks so unique. Inspired! We're gathering around to hear a story bursting just outside a fire. What's this? What's this? In here, they've got a little tree. How queer! And who would ever think? And why? They're covering it with tiny little things that got electric lights on screens. And there's a smile in everyone. Listen out! Correct me if I'm wrong. This looks like fun. This looks so fun. And could it be? I got my wish. What's this? Oh my! What now? The children are asleep. But look, there's nothing underneath. No rules, no witches here to scream and scare them or ensnare them. Only little